everyone, it's Tammy, and you guys probably know what this pink bag means. I know the shiny pink bag you guys know is my Ipsy, and this one is my Paparazzi. So how fun is that? So I got some more stuff. Oh, how cute. And this is again from Cindy Lou Who. Well, hello. So sorry about that. My goodness, I totally just knocked y'all down. Oh my goodness. Okay, so let's start this again. This is from Cindy Lou Who, and you can follow her on Facebook, and she will do live videos, and it's like an auction style kind of, but everything is $5 and it is wonderful. So if you aren't familiar with Paparazzi, check out some of my other videos because it will explain it. And I had a party, and I think that this is the stuff that I got for free from my party. Oh my goodness. So all of this was free. So here's her information, cynthiasbling.com. Look at those cute diamonds. Oh, it's adorable. So everything is lead and nickel free, which is fabulous. It works very well for me. I have sensitive ears, and these earrings are magnificent. They don't bother me at all. Look at how pretty this is. So this is braided, and they're like different chains. And then every necklace comes with an earring, or with a pair of earrings, at least as far as I have been able to tell. How cool are those? They're like a little bit flexible. But they're cute. And this necklace is very cool. I think that's beautiful. So there's that. And I think she put hearts on everything because they were free. I don't know. She could have just put hearts on everything because she was feeling Valentine-y. I don't know. So there's that. And then here is this beautiful blue. Oh my goodness, this is really pretty. I love this color. It is like a navy. Very pretty. And I love the pearls, and then the clearish beads are transparent. They're not clear. They're still blue. That's very pretty. I like that a lot. I don't know why I'm putting them all back in the bag. Ooh, and then I got some rings. Look at that. Let me take this one off, which is also from Paparazzi. All of the rings have elastic on them, so they fit anywhere between a size 5 and 10, I think. That's really cool. I might have to wear that one today. And, ooh, this one looks cool too. Oh, that's awesome. Very neat. I'm going to wear this one though, I think. Okay. And then I believe this is one that I purchased, and she had to order it and it came in. Oh my gosh. So I have a matching bracelet to this, but look at how pretty this is. Where's that bag? Isn't that beautiful? I know my bracelet matches perfectly, and then the earrings. Oh, this is just lovely. So blingy. And one last thing. Long necklace. It has pretty earrings, and then it has like chain. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains, and then like halfway down it has little rhinestones or beads or whatever, and then on the bottom of 4 of them there are beautiful beads. So it's just different lengths. Sorry, it's hard to show you guys. It's different lengths, but it's just beautiful. Let me... So obviously that's not how it would fall on you. It would be... I think you guys get the picture. So it would just fall in these different lengths and just be beautiful. So isn't that pretty? Yay! So there's that necklace. And let me show you this one again on this. So pretty. And this one. And then this one. I'm hoping you guys can see the beautiful sparkle on this because it is gorgeous. All right, so that's what I got, and I am loving them. So I hope that you guys check her site out. She has some beautiful pieces. Again, everything is $5. So $5, $5, $5. I mean, it's just crazy. So check her out. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.